going to do, I got the hard hat on because I don't want any stuff in my hair. So we'll put the pink gloves on because that's uniform. And we're going to go up there and we're going to take it down. So first I put my gloves on. And trust me, winging it. My drywall guy couldn't show up. Razor blade. Razor blade, sharp. Ladder. All right. Here we go. Yeah. You know, the good news is it looks like it's been done. Oh, yeah. Ouch. Here's something. Always cut the ceiling fan off. Whoa. It's a surefire way to get hurt. Did you see that? I got my wrist. Lord have mercy, it's dangerous. Okay, so let's try this again without the ceiling fan on. Okay. And we don't want the ceiling to fall on us either. My guess is this has to be done just right. And that there's a reason. Oh. Hey, it's working. Somebody, thank goodness that, oh yeah, not a problem. You know, if this falls on my head, you're going to have to miss that part. It looks like it's been taped before. Okay. Oh, there you go. Found it. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Alright. You know, having the proper tools is really critical. This is probably not what you want. But we couldn't come prepared today because we didn't know we had to. Okay. Alright, so we move the... so it doesn't fall on our head. You know, it looks like a prior leak. And actually this is butted up to plaster, so let's hope this goes well. Oh, leave the fingers. Give up. We're going to try another plan. You can cut